Welcome to the episode of DownShiftZM. Today's episode is very different from what we do all the time because we're doing a sit-in session with this guy who I'll introduce to you in a minute. But the reason that we're doing a sit-in session with him is because he owns a brand that is not particularly popular on Zambian roads. It's an Opel, and I pronounce it as Opel. I don't know, others say Opel. It sounds weird in my mouth, but it's an Opel. Alright? Now the thing is, he doesn't own one, he doesn't own two, but he owns 3 different Opels. And you want to find out what's going on with this. When you buy a lot of cars of the same brand, I mean, there has to be something about it, isn't it? It's cheap to buy, and you get good performance. Okay. Yeah. And they're easy to maintain. They drive well. A question that I've always been wanting to ask you is, what is it about Opel that got you to say, yes, this is the car that I want to own, and this is the car that I'm going to buy? Ever since I drove my first Opel, I don't think there's any other car that I want to drive. Okay. It does it for me. They're reliable. Yeah. Are you buying these cars for everyday drivability? Are you driving them because you can also go to a show and it stands out in the crowd, and even when you're driving on the road you still be able to leave some people in your dust? I mean, what's the idea of buying? The first ones I got, like the first Opels I owned, were just dailies, like just everyday drive around. Yeah, just transport. Yeah. I think I got that one, the black one, and I wanted this one. Yeah, it is. I mean, those rims sit apart. It's nice. Yeah. So I did what I could, and it's nice. Yeah. And then I got used to looking nice. Yeah. I got in a couple of fast cars, like wagons and whatnot. Yeah. And started looking for a little speed.
More power, babe!
So I got this one. This is an 1998 8-valve Opel Astra F4 for fast. Okay. Yeah. So I got this one that I started using. I wanted to make it fast, and I wanted to make it fast and look good at the same time. So yeah, I started working on this, and before I could get done, I found this, the Opel Monza, which I think for me is the ultimate Opel of its days, especially if you look at between the 80s to the 2000 era. If you're looking at German cars, yes, you had your BMWs, yes, you had your Mercedes, the C-Class and the M series battling it out, but there was also a hero that was maybe not so much sung for, which was the Opel Monza. It was like an unsung hero, which was also doing its pretty fair bit in its days as a performance car. So then you got the Monza. Tell us a little bit about it. I got the Monza. I've always wanted not the Monza, but the engine inside the Monza. Superboss. That's Superboss. Yeah. These engines are hard to come by. You won't find this engine anywhere. It's rare. How is it? Because of the numbers that were produced in its time, or what is it? I think it's about the number and
I don't know. People just want to hold on to them. Like if you find someone with this specific engine,
Yeah.
trust me, they won't sell it to you. Or they'll give you a ridiculous price for it.
Yeah.
And I always wanted this engine. And
Yeah.
then just buying the engine on its own was a bit too expensive for me.
Yeah.
So yeah, I forgot about it. I started working with what my pockets would allow.
Yeah.
Then some fat guy tagged me in a post
Yeah.
and say yeah, and yeah,
So now it's here.
it's yeah,
Your plans for this exactly? What are you doing to this car?
a lot.
Yeah.
I want it to be fast. I pray that it should be on the road before next year's election.
Well, Pande, I'd like to say thank you again for inviting us here and for giving us this time, obviously, to sit down with you or stand as we are doing and talk about you and your love for Opel. I can't wait to see this done.
I can't wait.
Yeah. I want to see everything that you're going to do with this. Hopefully, as Downshift, we're going to be getting a lot of footage for you regarding all the work that he's doing to the car. Maybe we'll sort of give you a step-by-step guide and show you every process as he does the work onto his car. Please don't sell it. Keep it and finish it.
No, this one is not going anywhere.
Okay.
This one is not going anywhere.
Yeah.
I don't know about the rest.
All right, so that's it for today's episode of DownShiftZM. You got to meet Pande and see his collection of Opels. His collection of 3 at the moment. Well, there's an Opel man for you. So thank you for watching today's episode of Downshift. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. If you're already here, a share and a like on any of our videos is going to go a long way. It's going to help us. And also, if you have any negative comments or you have any comments that are going to help us in any way, please do leave a comment in the description down below. Once again, thank you for watching. Peace out.
Wait.